Hey cooks, welcome back. Another edition. It's your guy Ken. I'm cooking again. Today we have something special. It's a midweek meal, but we're gonna try to do it in a hurry with a little prep. Okay, cooks? We're doing, oh man, sirloin cap steak. A little birdie told me, you know that's picanha, right? I said, what? I said, I have to grab it. It's already cubed. It's something like this. It's on sale. Of course, if I bought it, it's on sale. But I'm gonna cube it up. We're gonna make kebabs out of it. Okay, cooks? We might put it on the pellet smoker. I might put it on the charcoal little mini jar. I don't know. I might do both. Actually, I think I might do both and compare them. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, we've got some sazon tropical. That's gonna be our marinade today. It's quick cooks. A little bit of lime, steakhouse season, rub, steakhouse rub. I never found this again either, cooks. I found this at one time at the store. I've never seen it again. Green pepper and onion for the kebab. Little cherry tomato. Okay, cooks, we're gonna have some fun. Midweek meal. Stay with your guy. I'm cooking again. Hey cooks, we're back. Now, the advantage to this is picanha. I can tell, I can actually see the grain in it. Looks pretty good. But this is an easier, the fat cap has been butchered down pretty nicely. No silver skin. So that is a time saver if you get it like this. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cube it up. Okay, cooks? 1-inch cubes, nothing crazy. Okay, you're gonna cube them up. Okay. And we might even try to get two in the more in the more. What? 2 in the 4? If you know what that means, don't say nothing in the comments. Okay, cooks? We'll do the same thing here. Cube it up. A little fat on there, I'm leaving that there. Okay, cooks? Cube this up. He said against the grain to the grain. Because we're always gonna eat it, I'm not gonna cut it up as steaks. Now, if I was gonna do the whole picanha, I was gonna fold it up and make, steaks out of it. I want it against the grain, but I'm not cutting it like that. Okay, cooks? This is just gonna be bitten and eaten. Is that eaten? Yeah, eaten? Yeah, eat, yeah. It's a little fat here, a little hard fat. But I'll tell you what, minimal trim on this, and that's a good thing. I'll leave that big piece there. It might be for me. Translate to me, it's for my wife. Okay. See, I don't know if you can see the grain. You can see the grain in this, just like any other picanha. I might cut that one with the grain. I don't think it's gonna matter. I've got 2 others. I'm gonna cook those, not as kebabs. Okay, cooks? It's not gonna be all kebabs. I'm gonna cook a couple other ones, just to see what it's like on these. They call them sirloin sizzlers. I've never heard of that. That's what the supermarket calls it. Shout out to Publix, where shopping is a pleasure, so they say. It's not a pleasure to your wallet or your pocketbook, but it's a pleasurable place. It's very pleasant. The young people there are very kind. Okay, cooks, now this is going to be the formation of our kebabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. That's 2 kebabs. Okay, cooks, we're going to get our pan out. We'll throw these in to the marinade. Might add a little lime to that. And we're going to let that set for about an hour. But I'll show you what I'm doing. Stay with your guy. I'm cooking it because we're back. Okay, we've got them clued up. Now I will say what I did do in between. I felt the side of a couple of them, and this fat cap is a little hard. Now, the reason why I'm cutting it now because we're not going to cook these that long. Maybe an hour, maybe an hour and a half. I'm used to whole picanha, or we're doing the whole steaks. This will come down, the fat cap. I'll cut it, but for this recipe, I trimmed a little off. Not all of it, a little. I said a little off. I've heard that before. A little off. Don't let that bother you. Don't let that bother you if that's you. Okay, cooks, let's get them in there. Get them in there. Got the little ones. We're gonna get this whole pack. Like I said, we're gonna cook these whole. Trim these or not? Little trim. Slight trim. But the fat cap is not that big on it. Leave a little bit. Just a little slice off, okay, cooks? Not all of it. Leave a little bit, see what I'm saying? But we're gonna cook these whole. If you see that marble? Great marble. Oh, wait a minute. Marbling. Here's my camera. Get them out the pack. Cut a little fat cap, guys. Be careful. Use extreme caution, cooks. Extreme caution. Another caution there is. Medium. Put that in there. And last but not least. Yeah, I can see the grain on that, so I'm gonna leave that there. Okay, cooks, we're gonna go with Padilla Sazon Tropical. Now, I used to buy season packs of this same thing. The Sazon Tropical. It's a citrusy kind of. All right. We're gonna get it all on there. If you can see, get it in there. Okay. Use a lot. Okay. You got some left for later. That's why I get. You know me. Be economical. What we're gonna do? Get it in there. Coverage for everybody. Full coverage. It's like the insurance you used to have. Full coverage. Rolling around nicely. Nice full coverage on all these. Especially the kebabs. But you know. All right. I'm gonna squeeze a little lime in there. Okay. A little bit of lime. I do need a little. And that cooks. I want you to cook that up. There we go. There we go. Nice bit of lime in there. This is going in the refrigerator. I said it right. Not the refrigerator. I'm saying that for a long time. Get these in the refrigerator. Put the cover on it. Hour, hour and a half. Come back. And this is your time, okay, cooks? Especially a midweek meal. You have to utilize your time. I said utilize, that's a good word. Utilize your time. Get these in the refrigerator. This is when you slice up your onion. Slice up your green pepper. Get your tomatoes ready. If you're using wood for your kebab, soak them. Because the same time you need to soak them is the same time you can use while you're marinating. 2 for 1. That way you don't have to do it later. Okay, cooks? Stay with your guy. I'm cooking again. All right, cooks, we're back. Here we go. We got them. The marinade, 2 hours. We got them lined up, shish kebabbed together. Okay? Simple shish kebab. We got the lime. Lime is a binder. Never seen that before. Neither have I. Lime as a binder. Okay, so what about the other side? Don't worry about the other side. Okay? We're going to take it to the other side. You don't see all that nonsense. We have steakhouse rub. Can I see? Can I see? All right, steakhouse rub. Hit it with that. Oh, look at this. It's a sirloin cap, steakhouse rub. Let's get it together. Steakhouse rub. All right, look, tomatoes. Okay, cooks? I'm gonna flip them over, get them out there. The pellet grill is hot, 300 degrees. Okay, cooks? Get on the pellet. I might put one on the charcoal just for the sport. Remember, I still have those whole pieces. I'm gonna put those, some charcoal, some pellet. But stay with your guy. I'm cooking again. Hey, cooks, we're back. We're outside. I need to use I have a microphone. I don't use it. My wife got it for me for Father's Day. That was a long time ago, homie. Yes, it is. I'm one of those guys who open the gift, who never use. I'm gonna stop that. I'm gonna get better. Okay, cooks, let's go. 300 degrees. Let's get. Come on. Now, should I? No, I'm just gonna put it on there. I'm using a glove. No glove, no love. Get it on here. Okay, cooks. Put that on there. And you see the extra? I told you I'm gonna do both, cooks. This one's going on the old smoker. Let me block the shot. Okay, let me block the shot. I'm real professional here. Use it like that. This lid's going on. You done that before. I did that back in 97 one time. Okay, cooks. Kebab there. 2 kebabs there. It's going to be delicious. Stay with your guy. Oh, I'm in the shot. Stay with your guy. I have other steaks to put on there. I'm going to split those also. 2 on here, 2 on here. But look, who else is doing this? And we're having fun cooking. It's a weeknight. It's a Thursday. We're having some good times. I might post this on a Friday. But remember, subscribe to the channel. Like these videos. We need your help. We need your support. Share it with your friends. Share it with your auntie, your uncle, and cousin Teddy. Whoever that is. I don't know who. All right. But remember, say what you got. Hit that notification bell, whatever that means. But stay with you guys. I'm cooking again. Hey, Cooks, we back. Look at it. All right, a little smoky now. Smoky drum. Oh, man, this thing's ready to go. Oh, wait a minute. Come on, Jamaica. Come on, Mater. Mater, Chater. You see it. You see it. Trying to get away from it. You got steaks over here, man. They're trying to get it. Look at him. Look at him. Cooks. Now, that is the advantage of the charcoal. And of course, the flavor. You know what it is. But Cooks, we're not that far away. These are almost done. Almost. I say about 15 minutes out. We're 15 minutes out. We're going to taste this charcoal kebabs. We're going to taste this charcoal kebab with the sirloin cap meat. Basically a picanha. Delicious. Stay with your man. I'm going to bring those in too. Matter of fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to meet you guys back in the kitchen. Once I pull those off, like I said, another 10 minutes, why separate them? You've already been watching me too much. When I pull this off, I'm going to get in the kitchen, wrap it up, do a taste comparison. Stay with your guy. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Hit that notification bell. Whatever that means. But thanks for all you watchers. And share the video, though. That's what's going to help us. But I'm cooking again. All right, Cooks, here we are. At the end, you see the shish kebabs. Bang. Sirloin cap steaks. Bang. That's a lot of bangs. Stop that. Stop. Let me redress. Let's taste. Okay, Cooks? Now, this is off the charcoal. I got one phone call. Oh, I'm going to go somewhere. That, Cooks, going to my limited vocabulary. Phenomenal. Let me digest it. The flavor profile, outstanding. A little chewy. That's my fault. It's melting though. It might be my hot breath. I don't know. It's melting. I'm going pellet grill. Pellet. Y'all seen that? I don't know. Close. The pellet ain't the same. I eat the honest. I eat the 411. No. Sad to say, if you're doing quick, very quick, sirloin cap, get on some charcoal. I'm an honest reviewer. Everybody's like, oh, you can do it. No. Get that on some charcoal, Cooks. Night and day. Somebody called Neil deGrasse Tyson. Night and day, the solar system, stop playing. Cooks, I'm an honest cook. That was not the same. I'm putting all this back on the charcoal. Charcoal's still going. All is going on the charcoal. That flavor is amazing. Oh, shout out to Joseph. That is not the same. Okay, Cooks, I'm not going to do it again. Hope you don't either. Enjoy cooking. We love cooking. Hell, I'm cooking again.